I'm using a whole packet, a 30-gram packet of fresh basil. Once I remove the stems, I'll have about 1 cup or 25 grams of basil leaves. Garlic, pine nuts, not toasted, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, extra virgin olive oil, my favorite olive oil. And we'll finish off with a pinch of sea salt. 1 garlic, 1 tablespoon of pine nuts, that's about 8 grams, 30 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, that is about half a cup. Add the basil. As I mentioned earlier, it's 25 grams, a whole packet, stems removed, or about 1 cup. You can use as much olive oil as you like. For this recipe, I'm using about 30 ml. That's 2 tablespoons roughly. And finish off with a pinch of sea salt. Of course, this is ready to eat right away, and it's just delicious. You can adjust any of these ingredients to your taste. I'm going to store mine in the fridge for a few days, so I'm drizzling a little olive oil over the top so that it stays fresh. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. I promise you this is so much better than store-bought pesto. Please, I hope you give it a try.